over 14. Theta equal cos inverse minus 11 over 14. Right, like this. Okay, now anyhow, now in this question, see, here now in this question anyhow that theta equal cos inverse minus 11 over 14. That is that possible to be a cos value negative, Putala? Okay, now you know that, okay, now you are new to, okay, A level. Okay, now you have seen only positive values for trigonometric ratios in O level, right? I am asking you that is that possible to be a trigonometric ratio like negative? Yes, it's possible, but how? But how it is been negative? See here, now even in A level that many teachers teach, okay, that many teachers teach the trigonometric ratios in a wrong manner. I think that it's not completely wrong, but I think that it's a primary definition that you have seen that sine theta, cos theta in O level, that opposite over hypotenuse, that adjacent over hypotenuse, like that, no, but it's not the genuine definition of trigonometric ratios. Actually, that when you are when you are coming to A level, we call trigonometric ratios that lesson, that trigonometry, that circular function. What trigonometry functions? Normally, that mathematical functions, then okay, function is something, okay, that input output process. Simply, okay, there's an input and this function gives us output. Okay, now basically here we are talking about mathematical function. Okay, Budala. Now you have seen many mathematical functions in O level. See, I will explain you. Now here that y equal 2s plus 3. This is a simple function. Y equal 2s plus 3. Here the input is x, the output is y. When you give different x values, these functions give different output, right? Normally, okay, in general, anyhow that next week, not tomorrow, that we are starting the next lesson algebra. Now here you will, okay, that in the lesson algebra you will see that what the function is. And even trigonometry, okay, they have defined as a function. Okay? Yes, the trigonometry functions, the genuine definition is something like this. Now we call circular function. I will come here that I think you all wrote these things. Okay, the genuine way of defining trigonometry function is like something like this. Now you know, okay, here the opposite over hypotenuse, that opposite over adjacent, that's the primary definition only for angle in between 0 and 90. The genuine definition of the trigonometric ratios, something like this. Okay, that because of trigonometric ratios are called circular functions. Now we should draw a circle like this. Okay. මේ වගේ circle එකකින් තමයි පුතාලා trigonometric ratios define කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Sometimes they take a unit circle, that means a radius 1, but okay, even it is not 1, we can define. Now this is O. When there is a variable point P here, and if the coordinates are x and y, when this angle is theta, sin theta is something like y divided by r, and cos theta is, you know that this is x and this is y, and cos theta is x over r, and tan theta is y over x. From this definition, Lamai, we can find the trigonometric ratio. Otherwise, okay, what's the output for any angle? Can you understand? Now here, can anyone of you tell if the angle is more than 100, okay, more than 90? Can we draw a right triangle making one angle more than 90? Now you need to find what is sin 120. Sin 120. Now can you find what sin 120 by using the basic definition that, okay, opposite over hypotenuse? Can anyone of you draw a right triangle making one angle 120? බෑනේ පුතාලා. එතකොට තේරෙනවා this definition is a primary definition only for acute angles. That means in between 0 to 90. This is the genuine definition of trigonometric ratios. Now you can see when theta more than 90 even, you can find what are the coordinates x and y. Okay, then this is the definition. Sometime when it comes here, x coordinate will be negative, then some trigonometric ratios will be negative. like that. That's the genuine definition. Anyway, we will see what this is tomorrow. Okay. මොකද්ද මේ කියලා තව දැනගනීවි. Okay. එතකොට trigonometry වලට circular function කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ reason එක නිසාවෙන් තමයි. තේරුණාද? එහෙම නැතුව okay. Now in A level we don't tell that sin theta equal opposite over hypotenuse and cos theta equal okay adjacent over hypotenuse. That's the primary definition. තේරුණාද? Right? Okay. Anyway, that I erase the first part of the question. You got the method, no? Okay, write down if anyone of you want. Okay, no need to write this one.